Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. If you're watching this, that means that you're wanting to figure out how you actually put air in your tire, or even just to check the air pressure on your tire. And so I want to show you that. You might have got this little indicator on your dash somewhere. This is telling you need to check the pressure on at least one of your tires. And so I'm going to show you where and how to do that. First, you're going to look at your tire and find your little valve stem. That is going to be right here on my tire. I've actually already taken the cap off. It's just real easy. You just actually unscrew that. If you don't have one of these, you can buy these on Amazon. Pretty cheap. Then you're going to need a pressure gauge or a tire gauge looking something like this. Again, this is a pretty cheap one. You can get all kind of other ones. I actually have a digital one I'm going to show you in just a second. But you're going to check the tire that you think is the lowest. Check it out. All right, this is running about 30. You can do it again. All you have to do is press it on there, and it'll kind of point it out, and it'll tell you what it is on the gauge right here. Again, you can get it, and it'll tell you, just hold it on there for a second. Make sure it pushes it all out right around 30, 31. And so then I know, because I've looked it up, I also looked in the owner's manual, that my tire actually needs to be around 32 to 33 PSI. And so you can figure that out. You can either Google it, you can look in your owner's manual, or you can actually look in the door of your car, and I'll actually show you how to do that here in just a moment. One thing you don't want to do on the side of your tire, it does have a PSI range, and that is your max PSI. You don't want to do that. You actually want to go with the recommended PSI and not the max, because if you do that, you could actually mess up your tire as well. So, but I'm going to show you actually how to put air into the tire here in just a second. So like I was saying, I wanted to show you guys how you can actually check the tire pressure another way. I actually have a digital gauge right here. You can tell it comes up as 31.5. It's plugged into the tire. And again, I think this one is a little more, a little bit closer than the other gauge that I have down there. But this is another great way to do that and to check that tire pressure. Like I said, mine recommends about 33. I like to kind of do 34 just to go ahead and be safe. And so I'm going to go ahead and plug in what I want it to be, and then I'm going to press it go. I'm actually not going to show it because it is very loud, and so I don't want you to hear that, but I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Well, hey guys, here it is. The pump just got finished right at 34, like I was saying I was putting it at. And so what you can do then is you're good. You can take this piece actually off, and you should be good if you've done that. Now, if you're at the gas station, you're trying to figure out, maybe you just have a compressor or whatever, and it doesn't actually have a gauge. What you can do is, if you know this is your low tire, you can put some air in there, and then you can check it. You can pop this in there, check it, get the reading, and then try to get it to that number that you're trying to get to. If it's okay if you go over a little bit, say I went up to 37, 38, it's all right. You can actually turn these on the back side right there, so you can kind of see this is the back side, and you can actually hit it and let air out. Pretty easy. You can kind of let a little air out like that in case you went a little too high. It's not that bad. So I actually wanted to show you as well where you can find this on your door for your recommended air pressure for your tire. So let me show you guys where to find that as well. Hey guys, like I said, I wanted to show you guys where you can check out in the door the recommended PSI for your tires. Some actually are right here in the door, but mine is actually back right here, and actually just kind of has the recommendation. I have the off-road package, and so 32, 33 is the recommended PSI for mine, and so you can kind of check that on your vehicle as well, or it might be right inside the door. But I hope this helps. If it did, you can like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any questions or comments, please make those, and I would love to help you out. Have a great day.